Welcome to the Nightcap. Tonight we're going 2008 style with the paper plane. That's when this cocktail was invented. Let's go ahead, like, subscribe, get out to your friends. We'll get building. So, paper plane, everything's going to be even. It's going to be 3/4 an ounce for all parts of this. The first part's going to be 3/4 an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We've got that measured already. Now we're going to go bourbon. Today we're going to be doing the Blade and Bow bourbon. And again, we're going to pour in 3/4 of an ounce and into the shaker with ice it goes. Next, the Aperol. We used that with a drink just recently. We're going to try to make a few more drinks with this. So if it's not something you have readily available, go ahead and get it out because you can do some more modern cocktails with Aperol. And so that's 3/4 an ounce. And then finally, the last piece is going to be the Amaro Menino. That is vital for this specific drink. So it's going to be 3/4 an ounce of that. And again, pouring it on top of the ice. So, got everything poured in. Let's give her a shake. Alrighty. All right, that is nice and frosty there. Let me go ahead and get the glass. We're gonna go with a frosted coupe glass, but again, if you're making this at home, you don't have anything frosted, don't have a coupe glass, just pour this in any other type of glass, you're good. And we're actually gonna go ahead and double strain this today, just so the shards of ice that come in when you shake it don't go into this drink. So it's gonna catch the ice just to get rid of that. If you don't have the double strainer, perfectly fine, not necessary. Don't have that scare you away. It's just a nice extra little tip. So that right there, as you would say, loyal followers, she's a beauty, Clark. Cheers.